Let's go.
Ate, nawawala yung iba.
What date is it today?
Friday the 13th.
I'm drinking C2 na red. Tomorrow is the first day of school.
We're gonna vlog the first day of school.
Sabi ko may lalabas. Kakasundo ko lang! Penge! Kakasundo ko lang. Ilang beses ako naglakad dito, nagbalik-balik ako eh. Maaga yung out ko. Nasa 12. Kadiri, may stain ng damit mo. Papunta kami sa bahay nila. Laki naman ng bike na yan.
Ate, what's this? Ay.
Ready ka na pumasok for the second day of school?
Yes!
No! Ano gagawin natin? Ano gagawin natin ngayon? Kakain ng ano? Dito din ako nag-birthday last year. So, we already got sashimi. Look at lalakets. Tara, kuha ka na ng sushi. Wala po si Chanel.
Nabuhayan ako ng dugo.
You didn't have to cut me off.
I'm gonna die.
No, you should get
Asali mo aring saya.
ponzu sauce.
I forced birthday from Monte. Ito.
Kasi birthday ng
Did you like it?
Yeah. Pero raw.
You can do it, Josh. You can fucking do it, Josh. You're gonna be a bit.
Mas sulit na inigit ang steakhouse ng Pindel, eh?
Hindi ko gagawin